Okay, so hey guys, so I just met a very good girl. I don't know if she's good, but she's gonna choose clothes for me. So you're all gonna so is 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 what do you mean? Like yeah. First out of this, what are you gonna choose? So I'm just so scared. Oh, whoa, no. Are you serious? Okay. 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 So, that outfit. And the boy castle, I think. Yeah, which one is it? Oh my god. So, I think this one, right? Yeah, wait. First, I'm just gonna put everything off. Okay, so, I think, looking good, but first, like, okay, so I just think, yeah, let's go to the skirt. It's like a gray yellow color. Yellow. No, wait, both colors. No, I think Taiwan. Wait, that's too much. Ah, yeah, I just found it. I think. Did I found it or something? Wait. I can see. Sorry. Dress up. No, I can't see anything. So yeah, I just think Taiwan looks. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Okay, so guys, yes. Okay. But it's really weird because yeah, wait. I think I'm just gonna do with Taiwan yellow. I mean, yeah. Guess so. I can't find the color. How can I find that color? No. This one is, yeah. So, like, let's start the match. No. Okay, this is a little bit, like, matching a little bit. I just think I'm gonna go on. No! I cannot find it! I think that one was good. Okay, I'm just gonna try this one. So as heels, I think it's could be white or something. No. Wait, it's actually pretty. So hairstyles. Even like I don't know. It could be like this color or that color. I'm not. No, wait. What's this hairstyle? No? I need to be letting it look cute, like, but I don't know. It's not working. Taiwan? Yeah, I hope this one is like beautiful or something. Yes, I think I just found it. Okay, so now makeup. I'm not good at this. There are so much makeups. Okay. Okay, so I'm just looking. Okay. Okay, guys, I just think I found it. No, wait. Yeah. This one is so cute, but it doesn't match. So I need something to match it. Or not. Okay, so Yes, I found it. I found it. I just think it's gonna go on with that. This one's so cute. Okay. I don't like the skirt color, so. What about this, huh? What about this, huh? I don't know if she likes it. So yeah, like should yeah, that's right, yeah. So let's go. Are you serious? No, which one? Okay, this is starting to be this thing is creeping me out because I'm not good. I'm not that good. Like yeah, I'm not that good in things like matching. Okay, so yeah, okay. It was wait outfit, boys, casual. Yeah, but which one? I don't know that. Okay, I know which one it is. But yeah, like this right? Then okay, first I'm gonna go on the hairstyle because like I think that one no, this one. This one in black, like it looks cool. I don't know. Yeah, like this looks cool because yeah, I don't know. Why am I going to shop? Uh makeups, yeah. That one. Just think black and the that one. And as heels, I'm just gonna get it as black. Wait, but it doesn't match very much. Not that much. So I'm just gonna change it to, yeah, I think white. Yeah, that's. Heels? Heels white. Two. Boom, bidim. I'm here. What about this? what about this? Yeah, what about this? Yes. Yeah, I told ya. Yeah, I told ya. First of all, I'm just gonna. Okay, next one. Are we gonna do Taiwan? Okay. Get us not that easy. Let's go first with our work. Okay. Like get up, get, go away. No. No, not my human ears. Okay, so what was I about to do? Okay, yeah. Taiwan. Boy castle. Okay, so I think I could make something with that. It was this one, right? Yeah, yeah, okay. Okay. So I know I can match something very good with this. I think not a little bit lighter. So what about we do like a little bit peel. It's a Leslie. Do you guys know that? Both colors. Am I changing the colors? Yes, I am. I need a bit darker, but I don't want it too dark. Yeah, okay, it is pretty, but I need it a little bit. Yes! Yes! Yes. Okay, so. Heels, same color. Yeah. So, what about like full face makeup? What if I do this one? Something that match. It needs to match. Oh my god! That one is wearing too much! What? So like, oh my god, I like this so much. Okay, I'm just gonna go with this. Here. That one in red color. Okay, so I'm done. What do you think? Yeah. Well, I don't know. So, yeah. Let's go to the next one right now. Okay. What? What are you saying, brother? Are you crazy or something? Yes. Okay, so. Are you serious? That one, yeah, okay. This is like, I don't know. Okay, it was a green one outfit. Green, this one, like, first of all, makeup, everything. I don't want anything. Okay, so, right, so, I need to make that look good. Both colors, like, it's like this, yeah, but a little bit darker. A little bit. Just, I think, yeah. Oh my gosh, I just found the. Yeah, I like this one more. Okay, so heels. I'm just using the same things, but changing your mind. Hairstyle. Yeah, that one will be good, like matching. Okay, I like this hair, but I'm about to change it. So like, yeah. I love it. Yeah. Okay. Full face makeup. That's so green. It's so green. Okay, so yeah. I don't know what. Yeah, like, oh, I like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna go with this. I think, yeah. Done. And even the color is ugly, still cute, loser. Oh, you're calling me loser, so yeah. Okay. This was it. Okay, guys, so like, thank you so much. Hey, it's Ali 73 because 37, I mean, or I don't know, because yeah, but thank you so much, because I don't know her in real life and she was like this.